In this video lecture, we'll see the iterative statements. Iterative statements are the statements which performs the repetitive execution of the set of instructions here. At some time, a set of instruction must be executed repeatedly. So that time, these iterative statements are used here. So there are different type of iterative statements. The first one, while loop, then do while loop, then for loop. Then first we'll see the while loop. A while loop will execute the set of instruction until the condition becomes false here. If it is the condition is true, then it will go on executing the set of instruction under the while loop here. Now let us understand the while syntax. So the syntax is as follows. So first initialization, then while conditional expression, then in the body of the while loop we are going to include the statements or increment and decrement statements here. So this is the syntax of the while loop here. Now let us understand an example how the while loop is used in C programming here. Okay. Let us consider an example to print the n natural numbers. I want to print the n natural numbers. Okay, suppose if I want to print the 10 natural numbers, then using the while loop, how we are going to print those 10 natural numbers here. Okay, so first header hash include stdio.h, then hash include conio.h, then main function void main. Then so here I am going to print the n natural numbers. So I require the variables as n as the how many numbers I am going to print, then the counter I'll take. Then printf statement, enter the n value, then read that n value, scanf using scanf %d ampersand n. Then I'll initialize I is equal to 1 while I'm going to take the while loop while I is less than or equal to n, then printf the %d I value, then increment I plus plus, then get ch, close the brace. Now we will understand the program here. So here I have declared the two variables n and I. So this n indicates the n natural numbers here. How many natural numbers I want to print onto the screen here. So if I want to print the 10 natural numbers like 1, 2, 3 up to 10, then so this value indicates till how many numbers I am going to print that one. Then read that value, then initialize I is equal to 1, then the while loop. So initially the I value is 1, okay, so it will compare 1 is less than or equal to 10. Okay, so I have read the n value as what? The 10 here. Okay, now 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it become true. Then it will execute this statement printf %d I. It will print the I value. What is the I value? That is initially it is a 1 here. Next, the statement is what? I plus plus. I am incrementing by 1. I plus plus indicating what? I am going to increment the I value by 1 here. So now I value become 2 here. Now it will check 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, true it is. Then it will print the number 2. Then increment the value. Then it becomes 3. 3 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, true. Then print that one. Okay. Then increment the value by 1. That is 4. 4 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. then print, then go on incrementing. Okay, so at finally the I value becomes 10, then 10 is less than or equal to 10, yes, the condition satisfies, then print the value of I, that is 10, then increment the value of I, that is it will increment by 1 as 11 here. Then 11 is less than or equal to 10, no, the condition become false here. So that time it will come out from this loop. So this is the loop, while loop. So the control will come out from this loop and execute the next statement, that is get ch here. Okay, so this is how the while loop is used in the C program here.